Namaskar. Welcome to your daily current affairs revision for competitive exams. This content is based on verified news sources. I am going to cover 7 important topics in the next 8 minutes. Let us dive right in. Can AI transform India's legal ecosystem? Artificial intelligence, AI, is enhancing legal research, analyzing vast volumes of case data, and improving client engagement and compliance. The India AI Impact Summit 2026 showcased AI-powered research tools handling client queries, document review, and back-end case management, reducing turnaround time and improving efficiency. The India AI Impact Summit 2026 was held in New Delhi, where Sakar S. Yadav, Managing Director of LexLegis, discussed how AI can make drafting legal documents efficient and fast. This topic is relevant for GS3, under the syllabus topic of Science and Technology. It highlights the application of AI in the legal sector, which is a growing area of interest for competitive exams. Key takeaways: AI is transforming India's legal ecosystem. AI-powered research tools are improving efficiency. The India AI Impact Summit 2026 showcased AI applications in law. How do free trade agreements benefit India? India has various active free trade agreements, FTAs, providing preferential trade access to nearly two-thirds of global trade. India is also in discussions for an FTA with the EU and has been pursuing trade agreements with the GCC bloc. FTAs facilitate countries to focus on what they do best and trade for other necessities, leading to greater efficiency and productivity. This topic is relevant for GS3, under the syllabus topic of economy. It highlights the importance of FTAs in promoting trade and economic growth. Key takeaways: India has various active FTAs. FTAs provide preferential access to global trade. India is discussing FTAs with EU and GCC bloc. How can we restore indigenous fish stocks in the Ganga River? The ICA, Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute, ICA-CIFRI, carried out a program of scientific river ranching to restock the Ganga River and restore its ecological balance under the Namami Gange program. The implementation agency for the Namami Gange program coordinates and executes initiatives for pollution abatement and rejuvenation of the river Ganga. This topic is relevant for GS3, under the syllabus topic of environment and ecology. It highlights the importance of scientific river ranching in restoring indigenous fish stocks. Key takeaways: ICA-CIFRI is restoring indigenous fish stocks in the Ganga River. Scientific river ranching is used to restore ecological balance. Namami Gange program is the implementation agency. How does the Supreme Court balance fraternity and free expression? The Supreme Court dealt with a writ petition challenging the title of a proposed film on the ground that it allegedly stereotyped against a particular community. The court reasserts the constitutional balance between fraternity and free expression. Article 19, 1A, guarantees freedom of speech and expression, while Article 51 imposes a duty on every citizen to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood. This topic is relevant for GS2, under the syllabus topic of polity and governance. It highlights the importance of balancing fraternity and free expression in the context of the Indian Constitution. Key takeaways: the Supreme Court balances fraternity and free expression. Article 19, 1A, guarantees freedom of speech and expression. Article 51 imposes a duty to promote harmony and brotherhood. What is the significance of the Sweden-India Technology and Artificial Intelligence Corridor, SITAC? The India AI Mission and Business Sweden signed a Statement of Intent, SOI, to strengthen bilateral cooperation in the field of artificial intelligence, AI, and digital technologies. The SITAC will facilitate structured engagement among government agencies, industry stakeholders, startups, and academic institutions from both countries. The partnership aims to strengthen bilateral AI collaboration, promote trade and investment, and drive responsible, scalable digital innovation. This topic is relevant for GS2 under the syllabus topic of international relations. It highlights the importance of bilateral cooperation in the field of AI and digital technologies. Key takeaways: the CITAC will facilitate bilateral cooperation in AI and digital technologies. The partnership aims to promote trade and investment. The CITAC will drive responsible digital innovation. What is India's mental health score? Young adults in India, aged 18 to 34, rank 60th globally in mental health and well-being, according to the Global Mind Health 2025 report. They have a Mind Health Quotient (MHQ) score of 33. The findings are based on responses from 78,093 internet-enabled, literate individuals in India. The report notes that India still retains certain protective cultural elements, particularly family bonds. This topic is relevant for GS2 under the syllabus topic of social justice. It highlights the importance of mental health and well-being in the context of social justice. Key takeaways: India ranks 60th globally in mental health and well-being. Young adults have an MHQ score of 33. Family bonds are a protective cultural element. How does the Supreme Court balance faith, dignity, and constitutional rights? The Supreme Court delivered a verdict in the Indian Young Lawyers Association versus State of Kerala case, opening the doors of Kerala's Sabrimala temple to women of all ages. The court will hear final arguments on review petitions seeking to overturn the earlier verdict. The original ruling was delivered through a 4-1 majority, with the majority finding that the devotees of Lord Ayyappa did not constitute a separate religious denomination and that the bar enforced on women between the ages of 10 and 50 from entering the temple violated the rights of women to freedom of religion. This topic is relevant for GS2 under the syllabus topic of polity and governance. It highlights the importance of balancing faith, dignity, and constitutional rights in the context of the Indian Constitution. Key takeaways: the Supreme Court balances faith, dignity, and constitutional rights. The Sabrimala temple verdict opened doors to women of all ages. The court will hear final arguments on review petitions. That's all for today's current affairs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for daily updates. All the best for your preparation.